Hey everyone, Eric with Rockin' H. In this video we are going to take this piece of diecast right here. This is a PEM FLD120 and make this a flat top. I've already cut the top of this because it was a high roof sleeper. Now I got to take this disgusting mess of diecast right now and make this all even nice and gorgeous, beautiful, and everything else from the front to the back. So here we go. I'm using my belt sander right here. You can use a file, anything else, a hand grinder, I don't know, as long as it gets flat and clean and beautiful. This is fast and quick. You'll notice I'm holding this with a piece of jean. You'd think I have a pair of leather gloves around here. Of course not. So I'm using this so my hands don't get fried in the process of creating all of this heat by sanding that down. So let's get this done. And there you have it. Let's take a look at that. It's looking pretty darn good, don't you think? All the way around. Now this is a replica I'm doing for a guy, so I'm going to go consult my photos and see what else I need to take off to make this thing look the way it's supposed to. Now, from here you can use brass, you can use styrene, you can use anything you want to cover this big giant gap right here. It's entirely up to you. Styrene's easier to use, brass can give you a nice clean finish. Either product is going to work very well. It's just up to you what you have at your disposal and what you're comfortable using. Go get them.